It's our sunshine.
We have come to Sunshine because it is very famous, and Dr. Guruva Reddy is a very famous orthopedic surgeon, and we had already done our parents had undergone a vascular surgery here. They were also very much satisfied. My wife, she had a fracture, so we immediately, the first thing that came into mind was Dr. Sunshine Hospital. So we came here.
As it was a Sunday and emergency, it was an emergent situation. We decided to come to Sunshine because it's a big hospital, and they immediately took very good care. They gave us immediate treatment, and they referred us to a very good foot and ankle surgeon, Dr. Kamalakar. He has done a very nice surgery. The surgery was very complicated, but he has done it very well. We are very satisfied with the services provided by the staff here, the nurses, the service group, the ayas. Everybody has done a very good care. The physiotherapist, they have taken a very good care of us in our 2-day stay here. We are very thankful to Dr. Adarsh. He was very helpful to us in giving us immediate attention and good care. He has provided us with a room and everything. We are thankful to him.
Sunshine, it's our sunshine.